Thunder and lightning are natural phenomena that occur during thunderstorms. When warm and cold air masses collide, it creates instability in the atmosphere, leading to the formation of cumulonimbus clouds. Within these clouds, water droplets and ice particles collide, creating static electric charges. As these charges separate, positive charges accumulate at the top of the cloud, while negative charges gather at the bottom. Eventually, the difference in charges becomes too great, and a lightning bolt is discharged to balance the electrical field. This sudden release of energy heats up the air around it, causing the loud sound we hear as thunder.